Hello, today I'm glad to meet you in the Moscow office of Art Team Studio, and I would like to show you today how we will make presentations for our large projects. So first of all, we make such sketch design project. So here we see the project before reconstruction, and here we have the plan of the future site with the pictures. Here you can see how the site will look like, and here we have the plan for Kluch program. So in addition to such sketch design, we make a presentation in Kluch version 1.0. I will show it to you now. So here's the same plan with the same cameras, and you can choose one, and you will see the site in augmented reality. So it's exactly as if you're on the site, already done. And in addition to such presentation in augmented reality, we offer new feature. It's Kluch virtual reality, and I invite you to follow me. So here we see the table. It's also developed by our Art Team Studio, and on the table you see the same plan of the site, and all the buildings, they are marked on the site, and here is the booklet, the sketch design that you have already seen before. And well, let's go on the site. So here we are. Recently we have upgraded the quality of the picture, and now it's very realistic. And we can move on the side like this, and we can teleport. So we see now the hospital. So we can move on the side like this. And here we're on the main view. There is also another possibility. We can be twice bigger or 3 times bigger than we are. And Kluch virtual reality is a new possibility to see the site before its realization. So you are welcome in our studio, and we will help you to make the same project for your sites.